Hi, in this video I'd like to show you multiple ways you can export a Sendout. Here's a published Sendout where I've already favorited a few styles. So let's go to our favorites list and export it. In the bottom right corner you can notice two buttons. This one exports your favorites list to a B2B shop your brand is using, and this is only possible via an integration. If you click on the next button, you will be presented with the possibility to download a PDF of your favorites list or an Excel file. And here's how the PDF is going to look like. It starts with a cover page and then is followed by favorited color summary and style pages. They include images of color variants, sorted by deliveries, and all the necessary attributes. And here's the Excel that I've just downloaded. It consists of two tabs. In the first one, you will find all the styles from your favorites list, and in the second one, all the favorited colors of those styles. And now let me show you how you can export and share the whole Sendout. For that, let's click on the Share button in the top right corner, and if you want to share the link to the Sendout, simply copy it from here. And don't forget to uncheck this box prior to that in case you don't want your favorites or notes to be shared. Then, from the next tab, you can export two types of PDFs. Let's download one style per page PDF and include favorites. And this is how the PDF is going to look like. It's very similar to the previous one with one single difference that this one includes all the styles from your Sendout, while the other one included only those from your favorites list. So one style per page PDF provides in-depth style information, and up to 6 styles per page is customizable. There are default attributes and selectable attributes that you can choose from. And reorder. Also, you can select price types that you need to be included. Let's download it. As you can see, this PDF is more condensed, and all the attributes listed are the ones that we've selected from, and they are displayed in the same order that we've set. That's it. See you in the next video.